Hey, welcome to another day of decimals. Today we are working on dividing decimals, which is probably everyone's least favorite, to tell you the truth. If you do not have your notes out, please pause and find them. Also, if you're someone who likes to use the multiplication chart in your planner, you might want to pause and find those. You should be on the page that has dividing decimals headline at the top. And then we have a couple reminders to write down before we do the practice problems. So, dividing decimals, the first reminder is to put the first or the top number on the inside. So, I'm just going to write two easier examples, facts that you might already know. 63 divided by 7. So either the first number or the top number is on the inside, which means the bottom number or the last number is on the outside. Really common 7th grade mistake is having the wrong number on the inside, which is going to goof up your whole problem. So put the first or the top number on the inside. No decimals allowed on the outside. So if I focus on this question, if it happened to say 0.7, I can't start dividing until there are no decimals left on the outside. So I have to move my decimal over until it's a whole number. And just like a lot of other days, we have to treat the numbers equally. So if I move the decimal one place on the 7, I have to move the decimal one place on the 63. So now what's there? A 0. If there was 2 decimals, then I would have to move 2 places. Keep moving until there's no decimals on the outside. Then you want to move your decimal straight up. So if this was a 1 decimal question, I would move it straight up on my answer. Too many people wait until the end, and then they forget where it goes. So move it straight up right away. Add a decimal, we did that, and zeros if needed. So if our decimal is here, don't forget we can put as many zeros after the decimal as we need. We talked about with rounding. Those zeros are there if we need them. We don't have to write them, but if we need them, we can put them back. And then lastly, those chapter 1 negative rules have followed us. So a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and one of each is how you get a negative. If you need more time to write that, please press pause. Box number 1. Going through those reminders that we just wrote down. Put the first number on the inside. No decimals allowed on the outside. 3 hops till it's a whole number. 3 hops till it's a whole number. And then it goes straight up. At this point, I usually rewrite it because it's a lot easier for my eyes to follow. I don't need all that extra stuff in there. I slowly work my way across the problem. Does 7 fit into 2? No. Some people put an X, some people put a 0, some people leave it blank. Be careful if you leave it blank, that your next number goes above the 0. Does 7 fit into 20? Yes, 2 times. Makes 14. I'm slowly working my way left to right, just like a book. Does 7 fit into 60? Yes, 8 times. I'm slowly working my way left to right. Does 7 fit into 42? Yes, 6 times. When I have nothing left over, that means my problem is done. Except for a positive divided by negative is a negative 28.6. Lots of people groan for division. I get it. It's kind of like people groan when it's their turn to rake the leaves. I get it. But you got to rake the leaves in the fall. We got to do division in math. Next problem. Top number on the inside. No decimals on the outside, so that's good. I've already got that taken care of. Move the decimal straight up. Wait, I don't even see a decimal. Oh yeah, whole numbers it hides at the end. You don't have to write it, but it's there when you need it. Slowly work my way across the problem. Does 9 fit into 2? No. Does 9 fit into 23? Yes. Twice. Does 9 fit into 54? Yes. 6 times. Am I done? Looks like it. It's a whole number 26. But wait, a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Go ahead, pause the video right now. Come back to check your answers. So I have put the top number on the inside. I have moved the decimal. I have moved the decimal to the top. I'm now ready to work my way across the problem. Ooh, 58 into 400. I'm going to need a little guess and check on this. 2 is too little. 9 is too big. I'm going to try the middle 5. I wonder if 6 will work. Looks like it's 6. Okay, well, I know it has to be bigger than 6 this time. Maybe I will try 9. Yes! I love when I have a good guess. Yes! I do a little happy dance for myself. So my answer, 6.9. Do I need a negative? Nope, not this time. Top number on the inside. Move the decimal over. Move the decimal up. I like to rewrite it. It really helps my brain understand what numbers I'm using. Work my way across the problem. 73 into 7, no. 73 into 77, yes. Ooh, interesting. 73 does not fit into, sorry, I goofed that one up. 43, no. I had to put a 0 on top before I can bring down the 8. Guess and check. Maybe I'll go with 5 again, maybe? Not quite big enough. Try 6. Guess and check over here. Hey, not too bad. Got it on my second guess. Do I need a negative? Not this time. Last 2. Go ahead and pause, please. First number on the inside. No decimals outside. Move the decimal straight up. Work my way left to right. 53 into 6. No. 53 into 63. Once. 53 into 106. I'm pretty sure it's 2, but I'm going to check over here. Voila, look at that. Do I need a negative? Nope. My answer, 12. Last one, people. We're almost done. Woo-hoo! I have to rewrite it. My brain does not like all that messiness happening. Left to right. Not into 4. Not into 40. 78 into 409. Is it going to be 4 times? Maybe 5. Must be 5. Five it is. You know what that's called? Guess and check. My first guess was wrong. I checked it. Guess again. Got it. Whew. I think it's only 2. Guess 2 and check. What? I didn't end in a 0. Remember, as many zeros as I need over here. Bring it down. 78 into 390. Oh, look! Got it already. Do I need a negative? Not this time. Dividing decimals, you got it. Slow and steady. Follow those steps we wrote down. Work your problems left to right. By the way, this is going to take some space, a couple lines on your paper. Show me the side problems. Talk to you later.